Hi guys, do you want to know difference between form number 26AS and AIS? So let's understand one by one. Form number 26S is nothing but it's a passbook which shows all the records related to tax deducted at source, tax collected at source, advance tax paid, self-assessment tax paid and your refund. So this entire information is there in 26AS. Whereas AIS is nothing but it's an extended version of 26AS because it shows income on which TDS is deducted as well as not deducted. Yes, so even if TDS is not deducted, it will not reflect in 26S, but it will reflect in AIS. So whenever you file your return, it is advisable to check your form number 16, 16A and 26AS with AIS. So there will not be any mismatch and you will not have any legal issues. Thank you so much. If you like this reel, please save the reel and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.